If you want to change your font size on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to your display section, choose it. In your display, we gotta find our font size and style, open it up as well. Now you can see the slider for your font size. So if you want to make it bigger, swipe to the right, and as you see on the preview window, it changed and everything became bigger. Or if you want to make your font smaller, move it on slider again and it will become smaller. You can choose your font style, or you can enable your bold font. And once again, you can see all the changes like right here on your preview window. So when you're satisfied and set up your ideal font, you can go back and simply close the settings and it will be enabled automatically. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.